How to take burst photos on Samsung S22 series phone. Welcome back to the Simple Dad Samsung S22 tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to take burst photos on Samsung S22 series phones. Burst photos is where the camera takes multiple photos in one click. It's good for action scene or fast moving scenes. So let's start off by opening up your camera app on your Samsung phone. Make sure it is in camera mode. Now point your camera to a subject and make sure it is in focus. Now using your index finger, hold the shutter button and drag it down. You'll start seeing numbers, which means burst photos are being taken. The maximum numbers of burst photos you can take is 100 in one go. Once you've taken, go into the preview and preview your burst photos. Burst photos will show you an icon and a number next to it, and it will appear at the bottom left of the photo. Tap on it and this will give you a chance to scroll through all the shots you have taken on the phone. Whichever you like, select and then press the download button to save that single photo. And that is how to take burst photos on Samsung S22 series phone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.